Hey everyone, Rick here from GTM Vault. If I had to rebuild a go-to-market function from scratch today, I wouldn't hire a product marketer. I wouldn't hire an SDR. I'd hire one full-stack marketer and pair them with an AI system that knows our customer better than anyone else. Today's video is about why that model is winning and how you can build it inside your startup. Here's the problem. We've built GTM orgs like assembly lines. Product marketing does research. Ops builds the list. SDRs run outreach. Campaigns get built by committee, and somewhere along the way, the customer gets lost. It's no surprise most campaigns fall flat. They're built on secondhand insight. AI is changing this, not by replacing marketers, but by connecting the dots they can't. Imagine feeding your AI every call recording, objection, survey, demo, and deal loss note. It doesn't forget. It doesn't summarize. It infuses that knowledge into messaging, targeting, and scoring. The fastest growing teams use AI not to generate content, but to generate understanding and apply it instantly across GTM. So if you only get one marketer, don't pick a specialist. Pick a systems thinker, someone who can go from research to campaign to analysis without passing the baton 3 times. Then pair them with a simple AI workflow. Feed in voice of customer, train dynamic personas, launch targeted campaigns. Iterate fast. It's like giving your best operator superpowers and letting them run without waiting on other teams. Here's the flow. Start with 10 real customer interviews. Use AI to tag patterns, pain points, and language. Build a list of accounts that match those signals. Generate micro campaigns for each segment. Do, launch, learn, and adjust based on response. The result? You're not just faster, you're more relevant. Every campaign is rooted in what your buyers actually care about. Most startups still use slide personas. You know, CFO Maria with her fake quote and stock photo. That doesn't cut it anymore. You need a living model of your buyer, updated weekly with new data, new pain points, and real language from the field. That buyer model becomes your targeting engine, your messaging engine, and your internal compass. Now let's talk tools, because this part gets messy fast. Everyone wants you to buy 10 platforms. Gong for calls, Clay for enrichment, HubSpot for CRM, Airtable for workflows, Notion for docs, Glean for search. But what you really need is a unified GTM system, customer memory, campaign engine, and account intelligence. Keep it lean, let it learn. Scale signal, not software. Early on, you are the system. You're having the calls, hearing the objections, catching the unspoken pain. Don't let that insight stay in your head. Document it. Feed it into your AI stack. Let your team and your tools learn from it. The best founders today, they don't just ship features. They teach the system how to think like the buyer. Old GTM felt like a game of telephone. Founder hears something brilliant from a buyer, mentions it to marketing. They try to write copy. SDR tweaks it. And by the time it hits the prospect, it's unrecognizable. With AI, you remove the middle steps. You ship campaigns rooted in truth, not assumptions. This isn't just about speed. It's about accuracy at scale. So who should you hire? Someone who can run point on research, copy, campaigns, AI workflows, list building. They don't need to be the world's best copywriter or media buyer. They just need to ask smart questions and guide AI to execute. I call this the GTM operator of the future. They're the first hire that replaces 4. And they'll outperform a siloed team every time. Let's wrap with this. Your customer's voice is your unfair advantage. Don't let it sit in a Notion doc. Turn it into targeting, into campaigns, into revenue. Interview your buyers, build dynamic personas, run campaigns that speak their language. Use AI to do it faster and smarter. This is how modern GTM gets built, not on guesswork, on buyer truth that compounds. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next drop.